Kidney problems are widespread nowadays. According to the National Kidney Foundation, 10% of the world's population is affected by chronic kidney diseases. Kidneys are an essential part of your body, which is responsible for all the filtering. These powerful bean-shaped organs perform duties which include removing waste products from the body, balancing the body's fluids, releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure, producing an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong, healthy bones, controlling the production of red blood cells. Therefore, it's necessary to keep good care of them. If you're wondering how best to promote kidney health, it may be as simple as pouring yourself a glass of something to drink. Today we will share with you a healthy juice recipe, which is very helpful for people with kidney diseases, which also cleanse the kidneys. Let's jump onto the recipe. Here are the ingredients that you will need. 1 beet, 2 carrots, 1 cucumber, 1 apple, few fenugreek leaves, and 1 spoon amla powder. With all these natural ingredients, your juice will be super healthy. Cut and wash all the veggies and fruits and throw everything in the juicer. Add fenugreek leaves and amla powder too. Make sure you wash all the veggies before throwing them in the juicer, juice them thoroughly, and your drink will be ready. Juicing sounds healthy, but consult with your dietitian when incorporating juicing into your kidney diet. Juice blends are high in potassium and may not be recommended if potassium control is an issue. We hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts in the comments sections below.